Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. I am Anna, and I am so happy to see you here today. It is a beautiful day today. I feel very energetic and positive. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful and happy day.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom, and I am very happy to be with you. I'm feeling great because the sun is shining. It is a warm and lovely day. I love days like this because everyone is smiling. Today, we have a very delicious topic for our friends. I am very excited.
I am excited too, Tom. Today, we are going to a very special place. It is a place that smells very good. It is a place with many colors and tasty things. Today, we are going to the bakery. The bakery is the shop where you buy bread and sweets. Do you like the bakery, Tom?
Oh yes, Anna. I love the bakery. I think the bakery is my favorite shop in the world. When I walk near a bakery, I can smell the fresh bread. The smell is amazing. It makes me feel very hungry and very happy. I love the smell of flour and sugar in the air.
Me too, Tom. The smell of a bakery is the best smell in the world. It feels like a warm hug. Before we start our trip to the bakery, please remember to subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love having you in our family. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. We want to help many people learn English. Now, let us imagine we are walking on the street. The sky is blue, the birds are singing. We see a small shop with a big window. Inside, we see many types of bread. We open the door. Ding!
We are inside the bakery now. It is warm inside. There is a person behind the counter. That person is the baker. The baker makes the bread. The baker is wearing a white hat and a white apron. We say hello to the baker. Hello, good morning. It is a beautiful morning.
Good morning. The baker is very kind. He smiles at us. Now we look at the bread. There are many types of bread. We see big bread and small bread. We see white bread and brown bread. Brown bread is often called whole grain bread. It is very healthy and good for your body.
I like white bread for sandwiches, but I like brown bread for breakfast. Look, Tom, there is a long bread. It is very long and thin. In English, we often call this a baguette. It comes from France, but we use the word in English too. It is very crunchy on the outside.
I love the crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. That is the sound of fresh bread. I want to buy one baguette, please. A baguette is perfect for a picnic. We can put cheese and tomato inside. Anna, do you see the small breads? They are round and small. We call those rolls or buns.
Yes, those are rolls. Rolls are perfect for dinner. You can have a roll with soup. I like to put butter on a warm roll. The butter melts and it is delicious. We can say to the baker, I would like 4 rolls, please. Or, can I have 6 rolls, please? Using please is very important.
Yes, please is a magic word. It is very polite. Now let us look at the other side of the shop. This is the sweet side. This is my favorite part. I see croissants. In English, we say croissant. They are yellow and flaky. They look like a little moon. I love croissants with chocolate inside.
Chocolate croissants are the best. They are very sweet and very soft. I also see cookies. There are big cookies with chocolate chips. There are small cookies with nuts. Cookies are a great snack for the afternoon. My mother always makes cookies on Sundays. They are sweet and crunchy.
My mother makes cookies too. I love cookies with a glass of milk. It is a classic snack. Look, Anna, over there are the muffins. Muffins look like small cakes. There are blueberry muffins and lemon muffins. They are very tall and very soft. I want to eat all of them.
Calm down, Tom. We cannot eat everything today. We have to choose. But look at the cakes. There are big cakes for birthdays. There are chocolate cakes and vanilla cakes. There are also small cakes. We call the very small cakes cupcakes. They have colorful frosting on top.
Cupcakes are so pretty. They look like toys, but you can eat them. I like the pink cupcakes. They look very cute. Anna, what is your favorite sweet thing in the bakery? Do you prefer a croissant or a cookie or a cupcake? It is a very difficult question, I know.
It is very difficult, Tom. I think I prefer a fruit tart. A fruit tart is a small pastry with cream and fresh fruit on top. I see some with strawberries and some with kiwi. They look very fresh and very healthy. Well, maybe not very healthy, but they have fruit.
Yes, fruit is healthy, so the tart is healthy. That is good logic, Anna. Now we need to ask for the price. We see something we like and we ask, how much is this? Or we can point and say, how much is that croissant, please? The baker will tell us the price.
Yes, asking for the price is a very important step. The baker might say, it is $2, or that cake is 5 pounds. We need to listen for the numbers. Numbers are very important in the bakery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to practice our numbers every day.
Exactly. Let us practice. I want 3 baguettes. How much is that? The baker says that is $6. Okay, I give the baker the money. I use my wallet, I take out cash, or I use my card. Nowadays, many people use a card to pay for their bread.
I use my card too. It is very fast. After we pay, the baker puts the bread in a bag. Usually it is a brown paper bag. I like the sound of the paper bag. Crinkle, crinkle. It smells like fresh bread inside the bag. I want to take a bite right now.
Wait, Anna, we must go home first. Or we can go to the park. But first, we say thank you to the baker. We say thank you very much. Have a nice day. The baker says, you too. Goodbye. It is very nice to be friendly in the local shop.
Being friendly is the best way to live. Now we are walking out of the bakery. We have our bag of bread and our bag of sweets. I feel very happy. I feel very content. I am looking forward to my breakfast tomorrow. Fresh bread makes every morning better.
I agree, Anna. Fresh bread is a simple pleasure. It is not expensive, but it makes us feel rich. Friends, what do you like to buy at the bakery? Do you like bread? Do you like cookies? Do you like cake? Please tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories.
Yes, please comment. Write a simple sentence like, I like chocolate cake, or I buy bread every morning. It is very good practice for you. We are so proud of you for learning English with us. You are doing a great job. Small steps every day lead to big results.
That is true, Anna. Small steps are the secret. Today, we learned many words. We learned bakery, baker, bread, white bread, brown bread, baguette, rolls, and buns. We also learned croissant, cookie, muffin, cake, and cupcake. That is a lot of new vocabulary for one day.
It is a lot, and we learned how to ask for things. I would like, can I have, how much is? These are very useful sentences. You can use them in any shop, not just the bakery. You are becoming a great English speaker. I am very happy for you.
I am happy too. I think it is time to go home and eat our bread, Anna. I am very hungry now. Talking about food always makes me hungry. I want to put some butter and honey on my fresh bread. That is my favorite way to eat it.
That sounds delicious, Tom. Thank you everyone for being with us today in the bakery. We hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We see you in the next episode for more fun and easy English. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your day and enjoy your English practice. See you very soon. Bye-bye.